ready for takeoff. The technology teacher at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts is teaching her students about drone technology.
By interfacing with these different types of technologies, it's opening their eyes to what kind of engineering is out there. There's talk about air taxis coming up, so I want to bring them to the state-of-the-art upcoming technology so they can maybe consider that something that they're interested in pursuing in their future.
Before the students learned to fly, they first had to research drones and use their engineering and design skills to plan out and build their role model drones using Legos or other materials. All the drones the students created had to have a specific purpose.
I made a drone that had a platform on it so that you could deliver food with it.
Students also use snap circuits to better understand how the drone technology works.
I hope that they understand how coding is a big component of designing, because a lot of things you can design, but then you just use it this way. They can use it physically with a remote, but they can code and create a pattern for something. So using those engineering design skills, it's going to help them in their future and if they want to go into a career that requires that kind of thinking.
The students are excited to be flying RoboLink mini drones.
At first it was really difficult because if I wanted to go up, I kind of had to, with the controller, I had to move the right toggle down, and it was kind of confusing because I thought to go up you would do you would go up, but no. And it was when you started to learn how to use it, it was really fun, but it was a little challenging.
The students have also been practicing flying a larger drone outside and are excited to continue to learn about the future of drones.
I think it's cool because it's a new experience we never actually learned, and I think as we get older we can use them for different uses. There's already companies using them for delivering, and I think they can have a bunch of other uses.
The drone lessons are made possible by a Bright Ideas grant the teacher received from Palmetto Electric. At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.